it's sunny today. Hi, Jenny. Miss Wiwi.
Hi, you're Apple Lugili. Let's go out.
Wiwi.
Hi. Hi, vlog. Sa likod na sila ate. Ay. Are you ready for your vaccine? Yeah. Your Jenny will cry. How about you? Ready? Wait first. Dok, alam niya.
Wow.
You're gonna have vaccine, right?
Fire truck.
It's a vaccine, but I will give you a prize. I'll give you a toy if you're very brave. Ayun, babe. There, good job. Oh, 15 kilos. Is it the same? 17. Now it's September 7. There you go. Good job. Oh, stand straight. Very good. Oh, 95. Alright. Wow, it's almost your birthday.
Yes. Live it.
Yeah. Good job. Nice outfit. Or hanger.
The others.
Hmm?
The others.
The others, we...
What? Other patients? Other toys. 36.2. So no.
Where's the other?
Other what?
The other doctor.
Other doctor? This one is doctor.
The others.
The others?
There are others.
The other clinic.
Ah, the tonsils. Say ah. Okay naman yung tonsils niya. Come on. Okay naman siya. So, mukhang pwede naman natin i-vaccine. Tapos, tignan natin baka kaya na sa vitamins lang yung ano niya.
You're gonna have vaccine over here. Here or here? Where you want? Here or here? Also here. Gonna have vaccine here, okay? Gonna tell the doctor put the vaccine over here. Malagnatin ba siya?
Possible, pero sa lahat ng vaccine, ito yung pinaka-mild. So, not likely. Cetamol. Meron mo siya? Meron. Oh, you know that it's a little bit ouchy. But, if you don't move, I will give you a toy. You'll have a prize. Okay? And mommy can hug you if you like. You want mommy to hug you? To hold you? So, this is just alcohol to wipe. Okay? But if you don't move, I will give you a toy. Yeah? Advance birthday gift. It's almost your birthday pala. I will give you birthday gift. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, where will you look? You look at
Camera.
camera?
Look at the camera. Look
Or
at
you
the
look at
papa.
mama or papa? Yeah, don't look at this one na lang, no? Yeah. Oh, don't move, ha? Ready, go. Okay.
Don't move,
Fast
don't move,
na.
don't move.
No?
All
It's
done.
Wow.
Finish. No
So fast.
more.
You're so brave.
So brave. Good
You
job.
didn't cry?
Wow.
You wanna check your vaccine? So
Good
come.
job.
Wow.
Yeah, there's flashlights.
Wow.
Only one. You want flashlight? Or you want Lego? Or this one flashlight?
Which one do you like?
When you sleep.
Lego.
There you go. Okay.
This one
There,
no, when you sleep. Oh. Ay, asa ba?
Ayan, oh, there's
wow.
light. There's
Lego.
there you go.
Okay.
Lego. What you choose? Very good naman ikaw. Ito. Very good. You know na what you like, ha? Maybe I'll give you two. Kasi one for prize, one for birthday. No?
Oh, thank
One
you.
more. You choose one more.
Which one?
This one. Okay. Good job. You did not cry. Puro Dati, 4.4. Before, 4.4. Now, 5.5. Ka na? What? 59. Net, hindi na-ventilate. Tapos pag yung milk, stuck sa...
Pacifier ka ba siya? Or no?
Hindi naman. 38. So, 38. Look at the height. Before, green, average. But now, she got so long. Yeah? Medyo maliit yung head size
Yes,
niya. Ngayon, saktong-sakto na sa green. Kaya, minsan kinakamot nila. Pero ngayon, dry na siya. Parang magaling na, pagaling na. Looks good. Very good naman ikaw. Hindi na tayo mag-vaccine. Uunahin po natin yung inumin.
Okay daw.
Sing I, if you will drink. Lumad. O yan, konti-konti. Oh,
Ay!
konti-konti lang. Para hindi...
Ay! Don't waste.
Don't waste the
Tama.
3.9. 3.9.
It's so expensive.
Yeah.
Mm.
Make it better here. Pag vitamins, di naman yan niluluwa.
Hindi, ayun, buko nila. Waste baby ko. Dito na lang.
Yan. Injections.
Okay? Oh, ay, sorry.
Tapos, magkasunod na tusok na tayo para isang tahanan. Alright. Done. One down.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
One more. Last one.
No. Eh. Jenny's coming.
Okay. All
Oh,
done.
so brave ah. Oh,
Hmm?
finish?
Ay.
Ah, what happened?
Tumahan siya mag-isa.
Oh.
Oh.
Your check is still half? Oh, more na very good naman yan si Jenny. Ay, Kuya
Papa,
Wewe,
Papa.
oh. Papa.
Mm.
I'm so brave. Case for you. Diba?
She's
Kait niya, tumatahan siya ng walang dead.
so
Parang
busy,
nata ko
ah.
ni Kuya, yung syrup na... .5 ml na pala siya. Just in case mag-fever. Pero kung hindi naman mag-fever, no need to give naman.
Let's go home. Jenny.
Balik na rin. Napakan ko ba?
Napakan mo?
Mamaya. Ano, takot ko na dito baka paano yung Una. Yeah, let's go to Taguig. Let's go.
Papa, let's go Taguig.
Abay, Jen. Go home.
Yeah.